To buy an iPhone with Affirm, start by checking if you are eligible for financing through Affirm. Affirm is a financing company that offers transparent and consumer-friendly loans to help you purchase the items you need. First, go to the Apple website or visit an Apple store and select the iPhone you want to purchase. Once you have chosen your iPhone, proceed to checkout. During checkout, you will be given the option to pay with Affirm. Select Affirm as your payment method and you will be redirected to Affirm's website to apply for financing. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You will also need to create an account with Affirm if you do not already have one. After providing the required information, Affirm will perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for financing. This will not affect your credit score. If you are approved, you will be given the option to choose from several financing options, including the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment term. Carefully review the terms of your loan before accepting, as the interest rate and repayment term can affect how much you pay in total. Once you have accepted the loan terms, you will be redirected back to the Apple website to complete your purchase. Your iPhone will be shipped to you once your purchase is complete, and you can start making payments to Affirm according to the repayment schedule you chose. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. Before buying an iPhone with Affirm, make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the loan, including the interest rate, repayment term, and any fees associated with the loan. It is also crucial to consider your budget and ensure that you can afford the monthly payments. By following these steps and being mindful of your financial situation, you can purchase an iPhone with Affirm and enjoy the benefits of financing your purchase.